Do you want me to read you a book?
No, Jade. Then on Monday. No. Please take care of Juwan. I don't know what I'm trying to.
Jade, she wants you.
Yes, baby girl. I want Juwan. I have to read.
Jade can.
No, it didn't. I just.
She did not read. You want Julene? She need to read a book.
Call your bestie.
Jade, can you? Even if you read it, if you don't play with your sister, then no. Just play a little bit.
This is never gonna keep a bill. This is why I never like being with Juwan because you're always whines. What can I buy? I don't know what to buy.
Just buy.
Can I buy money? Can I buy $20?
What do you want? What do you want?
I want the vibrating bowl.
Oh yeah, she want that. That's a meditation bowl.
A meditation bowl.
Yeah.
How much money is it?
Give the meditation ball. Oh. No. She didn't do it. It fell. Hello, hello.
This is why I don't like playing because she breaks.
Here you go. Jade, here's your meditation ball.
Where does it have the hammer too?
Yeah, complete. Okay.
Money.
No, put it on top. Put it on top. Give her the money.
I don't know what to.
Just pretend. Just give the money.
No, wait.
Oh.
Yeah, it vibrates. See? Okay, do it.
Wait. Watch me. You have to do this. Not that.
Oh, no.
Do it. No more. You do it now. No more. You do it now. No, don't do it. It gets hotter.
It get hotter.
It does?
Yeah. As Jelana, it got hotter. Go in the kitchen and read loud at that.
I don't want to play game.
I want to.
Go in the kitchen.
You play. Pay me.
It's a lit world. I want you. No. I don't want anything.
That's pretty cool, huh?
I want your heart.
Hit the outside. Tink.
That annoys me so much.
Have daddy show it. Julene, bring it to daddy.
Just turn around and I'll show you how you vibrate it.
Just show it daddy and then she just show you one time.
Now hit the side. So we hit one other hand inside.
I want the yellow sleeper.
Now hit the outside over there.
That's meditation. You meditate.
If you do it kind of the outside and hum.
Show daddy. Daddy can do it. Okay, go there now with daddy so more space. Yeah.
This one here?
It's a meditating bowl. Meditation bowl.
I don't know that.
I think this one here. I think this one here is supposed to go in.
Money, please.
Should we Google it?
Yeah, there is an it's a Tibetan meditation bowl, son.
My money's at my house. I'll give it to you
Here?
tomorrow. Here's my money.
One money. What? No. Look.
Sorry?
Two.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know. Don't take that part. Do a part.
Where did you get this from? That's confusing.
Rebecca and Barrett.
1, 2.
Bye.
How did she get that one? That's really very rare to have that.